Welcome to my mom's kitchen. Today's special is for chicken lovers. Wow, that's awesome. Come on guys, I will show you how to put up our favorite platter. Pyara bell pea, malai, haryali and gulabi beet chicken tikka. Here's the list of what you need to make it other than a few colorful peppers and onion petals for skewers. Don't worry, I will tell you in detail as we start making it. Let's start with the base for chicken tikka. You need 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half lemon juice, half tablespoon salt and half cup yogurt. We are taking 1 kilo chicken thigh cut in small pieces. Add yogurt, ginger garlic paste, salt and a rough mix. And add half a lemon juice, mix it well and set aside for 15 to 20 minutes. We have painted our chicken white. Our canvas is ready. Let's see how she adds beautiful flavors and colors to it. For gulabi beet chicken tikka, you need 1 small beetroot and half tablespoon black pepper powder. Blend beetroot into a smooth paste and now mix it with the black pepper powder. Now to the gulabi marinade, you can add 1/4 of the marinated chicken. Curd well the gulabi marinade and set aside. Let's move to the next tikka. Now is our Pyara bell pea chicken tikka. You need 1 medium red bell pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. First, you need to roast the red bell pepper over the flame. Almost done. Place the charred pepper in a bowl and cover it with cling wrap and let it rest. This will give a smoky flavor. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Same way, char the garlic as well on open flame. It's ready to peel. Now let's remove the peel of the bell pepper. It's ready to blend. Blend the charred garlic and red bell pepper to a smooth paste. Now to the Pyara bell pea paste, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix well. And onto the bell pea marinade, you can add 1/4 of the marinated chicken. Coat it well and set aside. Let's move on to our second last one, malai chicken tikka. You need 2 tablespoons of fresh cream and 1 teaspoon of dry fenugreek leaves. Crush the fenugreek leaves with your palms and now add it to the fresh cream and mix it well. Now to the malai mix, you can add 1/4 of the marinated chicken, coat well the marinade and set aside. Let's move to our last one, haryali tikka. You need 1 green chili, 1 cup coriander leaves and stem, 1/4 green capsicum and half cup mint leaves. You just need to blend the green chili, coriander leaves, green capsicum and mint leaves to a paste. Now to the haryali marinade, you can add 1/4 of the marinated chicken, coat well the marinade and set aside. Oh wow, magic! Now our chicken looks colorful. Let's leave it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. As chicken has rested enough, now let's make skewers by alternating the capsicums and onions and chicken. This bit is a bit boring. All skewers are ready. Let's grill. Place a grill pan. A little drizzle of olive oil. Mom is placing malai chicken tikka first. It will take 4 to 5 minutes to get each batch ready. First turn. And just one more thing. This can be an awesome option for summer barbecues. Second turn. Final turn. Sizzle on a pan, sizzle on a pan, sizzle, 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 chicken over the pan. Our malai tikka is ready. Now goes Haryali Tikka. First turn. Second turn. Final turn. Our Haryali chicken tikka is ready. Before placing a new batch, quick clean to avoid burning the tikkas. Now it's the turn for Piara Belpi chicken tikka. First turn. Second turn. Final turn. Our Piara Belpi chicken tikka is ready. Finally, Gulabi Beet tikka goes. First turn. Second turn. Final turn. Finally, all the tikkas are ready. Wow, really cool. Color from nature to the plate. Wow, that looks awesome. So cool. All natural, healthy chicken tikka platter. You must try. Goodbye. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to try.